What is going on, guys? Russell here. Today we're going to be working on my brand new 2022 YZ125. We're going to be installing some brand new Pro Taper grips on this bad boy. These ones aren't bad, but just to get it spruced up a little bit here, it shouldn't be too much work. I watched a couple videos on how to do it. We're going to take our throttle assembly apart here, pop it off, and then basically just pop these back on. We're going to need a 8mm wrench. Mostly everything on this bike is 8mm, it seems like. Pop this one loose, and then there's one more down here. So I'm hoping that we have the right part in this Pro Taper box. We're going to see what it looks like once we take this part of this apart. But this is a brand new bike. Like I said, it's a 2022, and trying to find parts for it is a little hard right now. Let's open these up and see if any of these clutches in here match what I'm seeing. Now, my problem here is this only goes up to 2018. So I'm going to try cam number 6 because I'm confident that they probably didn't change them too much. What's this? Is 6. And that looks, gosh darn it, that looks pretty much exactly the same. Move this out of the way, pop our throttle out of here. Ooh, still there, cool. So let's see. Yeah, that looks exactly the same, sweet. Grab our grips here. Now this does say this side out, and we want to make sure that we have these waffle grips on the bottom. Oh, that makes it fairly easy. Straight now, looks like it. Sweet. Put this back on. And throw this over top. That wasn't too bad. A little bit getting that thing lined up, but looks good. Now the part I don't want to do, but I'm going to, is we're gonna have to cut off that other one. So this is the point of no return. This hurts, doing this to a brand new bike. I'm gonna try and not scratch the crap out of the bar underneath. It's really easy to do. That should just tear. Nice. Alright, so now we're gonna take our other one, and the best part about these clamp-ons is you literally throw it on and clamp it on. That's the end of it. Yep, there she is. What size is that? I think 7 mil. Line these things up real sweet. That looks about good to me. Tighten them up. Make sure these guys are really tight. That's not going anywhere. Give her a couple more insurance go arounds. Just don't want to snap this thing. That's pretty tight. So there we go, guys. Brand new set of blue Pro Taper half waffle clip-ons. That's what they call these, clamp-ons, on the 2022 YZ1.